Joel Jebadurai as an Assistant Professor of Master Business Administration. And for the topic today is Entrepreneurship in the Digital Era. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Novita and I will host you for today's event. And for today's session is being live streamed on the Universitas STEKOM YouTube channel. And now I will read our agenda this afternoon. First, we will start class presentation delivered by Dr. Joel and continue with the Q&A session. In the next session, we have time for documentation and last time is closing. Okay, let's begin. We will start class presentation delivered by Dr. Joel. The time is yours. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for the nice introduction. Can I start my presentation now?
Yes, sure. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay, first of all, I would like to thank our St. Joseph's College of Engineering, the authorities, and my HODs, and Dean and Chairman, and everyone. Before I am going to start digital entrepreneurship, we need to know what is meant by digital entrepreneurship. In the recent era, the people without digital, we cannot do anything. Suppose if you have any idea, to solve the social problems, we can go how we can convert, how we can solve that social problem in a digital manner. For example, if you have an amount of money in your hand, within a place you are sitting, you can execute all your transaction. Suppose for your food, for a vegetable, for buying any home appliances, for buying your health needs or pharmaceutical or whatever it may be. Everything we can buy with the help of digital online platforms. So this digital online platforms, the people, some of the factors it stimulate the digital entrepreneurship in India. Here, I am going to give a number of examples. The examples majority belongs to Indian context only. Now I am going with my PPT. My PPT is visible?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you. So first we need to understand what is meant by digital entrepreneurship. Digital entrepreneurship in the sense, first we need to identify the social problems. That is very, very important. For example, in India, we can say the Red Bus. Red Bus is one of the app for booking our uh, transport from one place to another place. Suppose if I want to move my native place from here to there, 650 kilometer, I need to book a bus. Before the red bus concept, we need to go to the travel agency and book our ticket and moving to our native place. Here, founder, the founder of the red bus, they are only age about 27 only. They have completed their education in Indian Institute of Technology only. One day, he has a plan to move to his native place. It is one of the very popular function, festival day. So he is planning to move his native place from city to the rural area. He cannot find out with the bus to move to his native place. So he has asked to some travel agency. They have cost around in Indian rupee, I am saying, 1,500, 2,000, 3,000 rupees. That is triple time. That is a higher cost than the usual day. So he found that some problem is existed with the society to find out their bus or their transportation needs in the important times or the usual time. The people were exploited to find out their transportation needs in terms of their monetary needs. So he has come out with the concept of the Red Bus app. Initially, he has struggled a lot because he has idea, he has some technical knowledge, but how we can convert or how we can frame or design the particular need of the society into the application. So he has contacted his friend. He has some business knowledge. He has some business knowledge. In recent days, suppose if you have some idea, we can have some collaboration with some other student, those who are practicing the business. Suppose the people, those who are doing the CSC department and AML department, they may have a lot of idea to identify the society problems. But how we can convert or how we can monetize, how we can attract the customers, that we can do with the help of those who are having the business idea. So the digital entrepreneurship in the sense it is nothing but solving the societal problem by using some digital platform or digital technology. Digital technology that we can say a number of technologies are there, but we need to use some online platforms. Even I can say from my native place, that is a palm jackery is the famous one. The people they will manufacture. The people they doesn't know how to market to the urban places. So the normal cost that is rupees 350, I think so. But the people, those who are identified, recently the small online platform is there. Small online platform is there. They have created this online platform to bring the palm jackery. That is a famous product in the rural area. They brought into the metro city. Now the cost is 750. That is means 350 to 750. So this online platform that is creating n number of opportunity to the people, those who are having a great idea, those who are having great idea to monetize or to market their product. In recent days, the people they are using the social media, that is mainly in the sense the Facebook. People, majority of the people they are using the Facebook, Instagram to market their product. Even the people from rural area in India, nowadays they have a lot of ideas how we can market their product in the city and gain lot of amount of money. Okay. So the first one, the digital entrepreneurship in the sense, identify the social problems. What are all the problems they are facing? The main important concept for digital entrepreneurship in the sense, first we need to identify the social problems. What are all the inconvenience and discomfort of the people by means of using the digital platform or online, we need to solve the particular issues. The second one, what are all the key drivers of digital entrepreneurship? How the people, even the people from rural area, how they have started their business in digital mode. So we need to know certain key drivers in Indian aspect or Indian market that stimulate them to start their business in digitally, and also they need to cover the metropolitan city market also. The first one, internet and smartphone penetration. Internet and smartphone penetration. Even we can take the 15 years ago. 15 years ago, the people they doesn't know what is meant by smartphone. They will use the basic model phone that can be used only for the purpose of making the call. But nowadays, in rural area also, everyone is having the smartphone. Everyone know the different type of application. Everyone know Google Pay and Phone Pay and the fintech application to make their payment. Even in the rural area, for 10 years ago, if you are the Google Pay and Phone Pay, everyone was there, but it is very popular in city side only, fintech application for making our payments. If you are visiting any rural area, 5 years before I visited my rural area, I asked, I need to make a payment through the digital platform, fintech app, that is Google Pay and Phone Pay. He said, we didn't have the Google Pay and Phone Pay. Now, recently, 1 years ago, people, they are willing to come and make their transaction with the help of Phone Pay, this Google Pay. That means this smartphone penetration, people, everyone, even the small child also, they are having smartphone for the purpose of viewing the videos and creating the videos and all those things. Our education system has grown because they have given a number of assignment for doing with the help of smartphone only. First one is the internet smartphone penetration. Another one, that is the internet users. Internet users, one of the chart from the Statistica, it says that 54% of Indian population, even they are in rural or urban, they are using the smartphone and the internet connections. Suppose nearly Indian population is 145 crores of the population. 55% of the people they are using the smartphone and the internet connection. And I want to say another one thing, even the villages also, now we have the 5G connections. 5G connection. That is also one of the factor stimulate or the base for the entrepreneurs, those who are market their product from rural to urban area. Rural to urban area. The second key drivers of digital entrepreneurship is Digital India initiatives by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has initiated the Digital India initiative. The base concept of Digital India initiative is every citizen in India, he need to know, he need to avail all the digital based services. The first one that is a e-Kranti. E-Kranti in the sense all the benefits of the government. For example, India, we have the direct benefit transfer. Suppose if you want to avail any scholarship from the government, suppose the people they want to avail any of the schemes or benefits from the the government will not give the currency or the cash in the particular beneficiary hand. They will transfer the amount in their account, in their bank account. So that is to be called a e-Kranti. Why? In the sense, people they need to use the bank account for their transaction. Why this is the base for digital entrepreneurship in the sense, yeah, suppose we are buying some product with the help of online. We need to make a payment with the help of the cash on delivery or the with the help of using the bank account. So this is also one of the base for the digital entrepreneurship emergence in India. The second one, that is a financial inclusion. Financial inclusion, the Indian government, they are taking lot of efforts. Zero free account, or they are renowned to stimulate the people for using more number of financial product. N number of schemes were announced by the Indian government. The main thing is the excluded people, they need to avail all the financial product. The third one, that is a emerging technology. India nowadays, we are having AI mission. AI mission in the sense, the recent introduced by the central government of India. The every sector, we need to use the AI, artificial intelligence, to reduce our burden or reduce our workload, and we need to cover the n number of market or the huge market by using the artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques. The government of India, they have initiated AI mission in India. That means every sector in India, they need to use the artificial intelligence techniques to cover the entire market. Next one, that's the digital infrastructure. Digital infrastructure in India, what they are doing is, early days we have 2G connection, 3G connection, then 4G connection. Now it is a 5G. Now Indian government proposed to introduce 6G. 6G. Why? In the sense, the internet penetration, that is very much important to gain more number of digital based product in India. Small entrepreneurs, they want to start their business in digital mode. For that purpose, you have to encourage them the digital infrastructure 6G connection that was proposed by Indian government recently. The next one, the Digital India initiative is, that is entrepreneurship startup. Entrepreneurship startup, that is a very good initiatives of Indian government. Every states of India, they are having the startup. That is one of the separate website they have. Frequently, they will conduct the trade fair. Frequently, they will conduct the trade fair with the help of the top level businessmen. They will come. What will happen? The trade fair in the sense, suppose I am a student, I have some idea to introduce certain digital based product in India in the sense, I can go to the trade fair, that is a free of cost, I can register, I can explain with the people, those who are visiting the particular trade fair. If the idea is good, I can get some seed money from the popular businessman. I can start my business. This is the initiative. It is there in all the states of India. Suppose in Tamil Nadu, we have TN startup. And also the incubation center. That is also we have in all the colleges. It is mandatory, framed by the ACT. Majority of the college, we have the incubation center. Through this incubation center. What we'll do? The sense the student having very good idea that we can communicate to the government and the businessman, and we can monetize our business. The third one, that is affordable cloud and SaaS, software as a services. In recent days, the software product services are coming very cheapest cost. Why? In the sense, number of companies, the popular companies, they are ready to involve. They are ready to involve the digital-based platform or the digital market. Next one, that is a young technical tech-savvy population. In Indian population, the strength of India is 65 percentage of the people. That is a very young population. 65 percentage of India population is young population. And also they know about the internet technologies. They know about the social media. They know about everything. But in terms of using the platform, the people, they are differ. In very recently, the people, once they get education, then they will start their business in online. Another one, rise of e-commerce. Flipkart, Amazon, 10 years before, they only cover the metropolitan city and metro cities only. But nowadays, the Flipkart, Amazon, they have introduced their product. They have covered the rural market also. Even the nook and corner of India, the people, they can order their product from Flipkart, Amazon. It is an initiative from Mizo. Mizo is a small startup like Flipkart and Amazon, but they are offering their product with a very less amount of money. This is the platform. Suppose I am manufacturing one product, I can sell my product in Flipkart, Amazon, and Mizo. But the Mizo, even their main focus is the coverage of rural people. This is also rise of e-commerce. That is also one of the key driver for digital entrepreneurship emergence in India. Another one, that is a growth of fintech sector. In today, the UPI payment earlier, if the transaction failed, it will take the 20 seconds to reflect in your account. 20 seconds to reflect in your account, the transaction got failure. Now, the National Payment Corporation of India have reduced the time limit to show the transaction failure or any problem happened with the Google Pay, Phone Pay, and all other things with a 10 seconds only. With a 10 seconds only. Why? In the sense, nowadays, the faster world, people, they want to do all the transaction very immediately. They don't have any patience to wait in front of the seller. This is what the transaction failure happened. I do not know. This is the problem from the bank side. Sometimes the customer, he will say, my amount was debited from the account. But the seller will say, amount is not credited in my account. In order to make a transaction transparent and also the fast, the seconds were reduced by National Payment Corporation of India and today. Another one, global market access. Global market access in the sense the digital platform help even the rural entrepreneur. Even the rural entrepreneur, they can have lot of connection with the foreign entrepreneurs also. That is also digital platform helps to Indians to market their product in global market access also. Then next one, what are all the motivators of digital entrepreneur? Earlier we know what are all the key drives that makes the people to start their business in a digital platform. Now we need to know what are all the motivation for the digital entrepreneur, why they have started their business in a digital platform. The first one, that is a personal interest. First one, that is a personal interest. These are all the things, these are all the headings that I have framed based on the resources I have referred in Google. The first one, that is a personal interest. The founder of Byju's app in India, Byju's app in the sense that is an educational platform. If I want to learn something about the mathematical formulas or mathematical core areas, I can go to the Byju's app, I can register my name, the lecturer will come or the lecturer videos are there. I can learn from the Byju's app. How this Byju's app have introduced in India? The main motto is the founder of the Byju's app. He is basically from a mathematician. He has completed BSc Mathematics So he is very much interested to teach to the students. But if he go and to a particular school, or if he go to the particular college, he can able to cover only the particular school student or the college student. So he decided that I want to teach or I want to educate the students, but the coverage of the students should be high. For that purpose, he has come out with the app of Byju's app. But nowadays, the Byju's app nearly getting they are planning to close their platform and everything. Why in the sense there's a financial crisis and all those things. But initially, his vision is to share what I have been educated, what I know, that I need to know, that I need to communicate, that I need to disseminate to the whole student community. For that purpose, he has come out with the app of Byju's app that is very popular. Nearly the crores of money they have earned through this particular Byju's app. Next one, that is a inconvenience. That already I have explained the red bus. Red bus is the concept. The founder is planned to travel during the Diwali celebration. It is a very famous function in India. During that particular time, he has faced some inconvenience to find out the bus to travel his native place. So he has come out with the red bus. So the second concept, that is the inconvenience. That is the inconvenience of the people or the personal inconvenience. Sometimes the personal inconvenience, sometimes the people inconvenience. Okay. So the third thing, that is the inconvenience of the particular individual. Inconvenience of the individual, he has come out with a Red Bus app. Red Bus is a very popular app throughout in India. The people, those who are traveling in and around in India, they can book their bus need, or they can book their bus with the help of this Red Bus app. Red Bus app. That is a personal inconvenience. And I need to say another one example, that is a CRED application, CRED. CRED application that is mainly used for our credit card settlement. How the founder of CRED has come out with idea, the sense he has met a lot of failure, or he has not paid his credit card bill on time. Why? Because in the sense he doesn't get a reminder from the bank. Sometimes he forget. Sometimes he doesn't know what are all the area he has spent. Sometimes he has exceeded with the limit also. So what he has did is he has framed with the application of CRED application. Earlier, the application is designed only for the purpose of credit card payment only. Credit card payment only. Through this particular application, we can see what are all the area I have spent, what are all the area I need to focus, what are all the area I need to cut the cost that I have spent in the earlier month. Every suggestion we can get from this CRED application. I can check my CIBIL score also. I can check my CIBIL score also. CIBIL score is one of the important one for getting the loan amount from the bank or financial institution. Now, this CRED application, by using the CRED application, we can make the bill payment also. Earlier, it is come out with the concept of the personal inconvenience and inconvenience of individual. He has come out with the app of CRED for managing our credit card bills and everything, credit card bill and everything. So the second one, that is a inconvenience. The third one, that is a field knowledge. Third one, that is a field knowledge. Yesterday, we went to a faculty internship. That is the founder of Blue Bharat. Blue Bharat, that is Dr. Kamaluddin sir. He has expertise in the knowledge of export. He has expertise in the knowledge of export. So he through his knowledge with 25 years in the particular field, he has come out with the application of BA, that is a business intelligence. Business intelligence, he has covered with the HR area. He has covered this particular application covered with the HR. This application cover marketing. This application cover supply chain management. This application covered international business. Suppose a man want to operate the international business, he doesn't know what are all the area I need to cover. He need to install the particular application software with a paid basis. With a paid basis, he is offering now. Why in the sense, the people, those who are having very good knowledge in the field, they are coming out. Even he is only BSc data science student only, but due to because of his interest, he has come out with the idea of business intelligence application. The fourth one, that is a co-worker problem. or it's a colleague problem. That is Zomato. Zomato is the app we can book our food. Suppose I need idli, dosa, or vada, something from the restaurant. I can open this app. I can book it. I can get it in my doorstep. I can get it the food in my doorstep. I can get the food in my house. So this idea, how it came with the Zomato founder, the sense this is a problem faced by this colleague to find out the restaurant, to find out the food where the hygiene and food quality food is available. Their colleagues they doesn't know. They find out the problem to identify the restaurant and hotels. So he observed that and he asked, what is the problem? Then they said, I have a problem to finding out the restaurant and hotel to buy something to manage my food needs. So he come out with the idea of Zomato. Zomato is for the purpose of buying some food for breakfast, lunch, or anything we can buy with the help of Zomato. Zomato will show all the restaurant. What are restaurant nearby? I can buy all my food. Next one, that is a COVID-19. COVID-19 that also have great impact. For example, during the COVID-19, only a number of digital media platform has emerged. Why in the sense? We need to maintain some social distance. We should not touch each other. We should not frequently we need to wash our hands. These are all the things stimulate the people, those who are starting their business in online. COVID-19, majority of them they got started small, even the seller also, small, the grocery sellers also, they get their all orders from WhatsApp. Somebody they go created the small app for the particular period of time only. Now they are continuing the same app for booking and also buying something from the customer, from the seller. COVID-19 Zepto. Zepto is one of the Indian-based organization they have started. Suppose if you need some groceries, suppose we need some groceries, we can order with the help of Zepto. But the Zepto was started during the COVID-19 only. During the COVID-19 only. How it was started? The sense, a founder nearby houses, they need the groceries, but how to buy? How to buy? Because people are having the fear to go to the store and buy something. And also the lockdown is also major problem during the COVID-19. So he has received some orders from the neighbor houses from the WhatsApp. He has contacted the seller and buy and give it to the neighboring houses. So he get idea. He get idea why we should not start our business throughout India. So slowly they have started their business to the city. Then they have covered another city. Now they have located throughout India. Now they are located throughout India. So the thing is, the people, those who are having an idea to start a business, are the people, those who are identifying the inconvenience of the people. They have started their business in a digital platform. So the COVID-19 have made a very good impact for starting their business in digital mode. Another one, that is a need for achievement. Need for achievement in the sense, Zoho. Zoho is the corporation everyone knows. We really very proud to say that he belonged to our own native place. He belonged to our own native place. It is a place located in Tengasi, Tirunelveli, one of the very rural area, but he has come out with the idea. He has come out with the idea to solve the problems of many corporate people. They have offered nearly 67 products, I think so, to meet out the corporate need of the people, to meet out the corporate need of the people. He is only the software engineer. He has started his own career in one of the company. He has earned certain amount of money, but he is not interested. He is not interested towards a particular job. He wanted to do something into the particular society. Why I need to work under somebody else? I need to earn this much amount of money. I have certain amount of knowledge. I need to monetize, or my knowledge should be useful to the corporate society. For that need for achievement, he has started the Zoho Corporation. Zoho Corporation. Another one, that is a field experience. That is also one of the motivators of digital entrepreneurs. Field experience in Zerodha. Zerodha is one of the application of share trading application. That's the share trading application. How the founder is coming out with idea. He is a very good trader, but he identified that there is no transparency of amount involved in his trade. Sometimes he will get some commission, sometimes some amount was deducted from his account, or sometimes some brokerage, the hidden charges. He has faced lot of issues. So he had a lot of experience in the field of share trading. So he has come out with the idea of Zerodha. Zerodha is one of the application. Suppose I am trading in the stock market, I can use the Zerodha for the purpose of trading the stocks. For the purpose of trading the stocks. Then next one is the Oyo. Oyo, that is the application to find out our hotel booking, to find out our hotel booking or restaurant booking application. How this application come out with an idea? The sense, early day there was no application to book our hotels, or suppose I'm traveling to some other city, I need to search here and there in the Google or some other things to find out my hotel or restaurant. But through the Voyo, we can book our hotel, and also the budgeted hotel we can book. It is very minimum 500 rupees. 500 rupees in the sense Indian currency and tell. 500 rupees also I can book a hotel. I can find out the star rated hotel also. It's, some hotels are 3-star rating, 4-star rating, 5-star rating. The customer, according to the customer comments, I can view the hotels, I can book the hotel in the particular city. That is, he has identified that there is no standardization. There is no standardization. The hotels, they are charging the rate according to the customer. By seeing the customer, he has faced a number of issues. So he identified that we need to frame some common application of OYO. So only the customer need will get satisfied. Recently, 5 years back, I have visited the city of Delhi. Delhi is one of the important places in India. I don't know Hindi. I don't know the language. I don't know the language. I don't know where to go. But with the help of Voyo, I go booked my hotel. With the help of Uber, I booked my transportation need. With the help of this Zomato, I have ordered my food. I have reached the particular place. I have reached. I have met the particular person. Then safely I have returned to my native place. I don't know anything about the particular place. I don't know anything about the particular city and everything. But with the help of this digital platform, I have met out my all the needs. Safely I have returned back to my city. Why I'm telling all these things? That is a digital platform nowadays. The people are ready to meet out their needs. The next one, that is a significance of digital entrepreneurship. The first one, there is a job creation. I already quoted with an example of Zoho. Zoho, that is a rural survival mission. That is the main objective of Zoho. The main concept of Zoho in the sense, the IT industry, majority of the IT industry located in city only or metro city only. But the Sridhar Vembu, the founder of Zoho, what he has did is, he has identified the very good people from the rural area or the student from the rural area and trained them. Then they have started their branches in the rural areas, Valley or the Madurai or the very rural areas. But they have started their center. They have started their office in the rural area. That is a rural survival mission. That means creation of employment opportunity to the rural people in the digital mode. In the digital mode. That is also one of the important objective of Zoho. You can refer everything, all the example in the Google itself. Another one, that is a market access. That is one of the Thuthukudi Karwad in the sense, that is a dry fish. Dry fish that is very famous in our native area. So he has framed an application. Thuthukudi dry fish store. That is a native language he is given. Thuthukudi Karwad Kadai. He is selling this product in throughout India. He doesn't know anything about all these things. He is very rural person, but he identify the need is there throughout India. So he has framed an application, he designed an application and sell his product throughout India. So that is a market access. He is identifying his market and selling his product throughout India. Another one, there is a new market. Suppose in Amazon, there is a cow dung. Cow dung. There are a number of value addition products that now come out. In Amazon, if you're typing cow dung, they have charged certain amount of money. But in the village, the cow dung, no one will be bothered about. Cow dung will be there in the street here and there. And also, no one will be bothered about. But some person have identified and make some value addition for the cow dung. Then they are selling in Amazon and Flipkart and all those things. Everything you can refer from the Amazon. So the new market they are creating with the help of digital platform. The people, those who are having idea, he doesn't have any amount of money, but by means of using some digital platform, they can sell their product in online platform, social media. The next one, that is a creative decision. That is a dog walker app. That's a dog walker app in the sense the if you are going to your job, you don't have the time to take care of your dog. You can fix your slot in the dog walker app. Somebody will come, he will take a dog for walking purpose. So that is one of the digital platform they have framed. The main thing is those who have started their business in a digital platform, they have identified the society needs. They have identified the society inconvenience. Here nearly 145 crores of people are living in India. So everyone is having some need. Everyone is facing some discomfort. Everyone is having some personal interest. So the digital platform helps them to identify the market and sell their product. The next one, what are all the challenges of digital entrepreneurs in India? One is the digital divide. Digital divide in the sense the internet connection or the infrastructure that is very good in urban area, but rural area still somewhat some lagging is there. I'm not telling about all the states. Some of the state, the rural area, still the infrastructure have to be increased. Some of the area, still the 3G connection is only there. So the digital divide is the digital disparity. It is there while comparing the rural and urban area. Another one, that is a infrastructure gap. Infrastructure gap in the sense, suppose they want to start, for example, Zogo. If they want to start their business in the rural area, they want to start their center in rural area, they need to have a very good infrastructure. So the government nowadays, they are taking some initiative through with the help of Digital India initiative already I have explained. So the infrastructure is also one of the issues faced by the people, those who want to start their business from a rural area in a digital mode. The third one, there is a cyber security concern. Cyber security concern in the sense, even I'm sharing from my own example. While I am doing my MBA, I got a fear to use some fintech application, Google Pay and Phone Pay and all those things. Why in the sense, sometimes the people they take money from my account. What can I do? So this kind of cyber security issue, some of the people they get some message from the bank or some other things. They will receive some OTP. If they give the OTP, the amount will go. So people they are getting some fear about the cyber fraudster. They will send some message and they will take some amount of money. So that is also one of the lacking mechanism. People they are hesitate to come for their digital platform. Another one, that is a digital literacy. That is also one of the important things. The people, if the digital literacy is good, then the people they will come and avail the digital platform and digital services. But still, India is a very huge population. People they need to have a very good digital education. People they are using smartphone, but they need to have some digital knowledge or digital experience to avail certain software and product. That is also one of the lacking in India. And funding access. Funding access in the sense, in India, suppose if you have very good idea as a student, if you are having very good idea, but the initial stage, the people are hesitate to fund your project. Hesitate to fund your project. For example, the TM startup is there, the incubation center is there, but the initial stage, the people are hesitate to fund your project. Your idea may be good, but the government or the private investor or the venture capitalists, they need to come forward to invest in your project. That is also one of the funding access is also one of the problem which is existed in India. Another one, that is a regulatory uncertainty. For example, the cryptocurrency trade, that was not legally approved in India, but it is legally approved in some of the countries. So some of the regulatory uncertainty, that is also one of the problem. Another one, that is a bike taxi. That is a bike taxi. The sense I can suppose I want to travel from here to there, 5 kilometer. I want to travel. I can book a two-wheeler with the help of the Rapido, Ola, Uber. Suppose nowadays our nearby state, the Karnataka, they have banned the bike taxi. Bike taxi. Why in the sense there are certain issues with respect to legal legislations. So that is also one of the issue. That is also one of the issue with respect to in India. Another one, that is a market saturation. Some of the small sellers in the digital platform, they cannot bear the competition from the top level seller. That is also one of the market saturation of small level sellers in India. Another one, the final one, there's the causes of digital entrepreneurship failures in India. That is a lack of seed capital, initial funding, that already I have explained, legal constraint, I have explained. The third one, that is a market competition from the established player in the market. Another one, that is a skill deficit. Skill deficit, the sense, initial days, Redbus is the application, the story I have already explained to you. The inadequate technical expertise of the founder of Redbus. Initially, they have struggled a lot. Initially, they have struggled a lot to design their applications. Another one, leadership and financial gap. The PIJUS is the application. Already I have explained to you. The poor leadership management. He is very much interested to teach to the students community with the digital platform, but he doesn't know how to manage all those things. He doesn't know how to lead the people, those who are involved in the digital business. So now they met with the loss. Another one, the last point, that is outdated application. Every application they need to update frequently according to the customer requirements. Sometimes, as a small seller, those who are selling their product in digital platform, they doesn't know how to update all those things. That is also one of the major causes of digital failures in India. These are all the summary about the digital entrepreneurship in India. If
Okay,
you have any doubts, you can ask me now.
yeah, okay, thank you. And for all participants, if you have any question for the speaker, please add them to the chat or you can raise your hand. Yeah, we will wait until 2 until 3 minutes. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You can ask in the chat section also. You can ask in the chat section.
We have some questions, sure,
Yes.
from participant. Yeah.
How has digital transformation redefined the traditional characteristics of successful entrepreneur? Are the classic traits still relevant today? It. I will answer the first question, then I will move on to the second question. Yes, very good question. The digital transformation, digital things have transformed the digital traditional characteristics. How, in the sense, earlier days, we will go to the store and buy all the things, and people also they are willing to do all the transaction indirectly. But nowadays, the people mindset they go come out. I can buy all the things with the help of digital mode. There are a number of applications are there, but somewhat the classical traits of the classical traits of the customer, still it is existed. People they have afraid to buy everything from the online platform application. For that purpose only, the successful entrepreneurs, they are having some refund policy also. If suppose you are facing certain problem, you can return your product, you can get your amount of money. So they have removed some of the fear of the people to make their business into success. To make their business into a success. Sometimes they are giving some gift and bonus for making the people to buy from the digital platform. to change their traditional mindset of the people from the digital mode. That is a answer for first question. The second one, how can entrepreneurs maintain authenticity and brand trust in an era where online visibility often relies on algorithm and paid reach? Okay, right. Now I understand, because majority of the digital platform people, they are fake product they are offering. Even in Flipkart and Amazon also, if you buy an Apple product, recently yesterday one of the case I have read from the one of the business news. He has ordered in Apple laptop, but they have given some other model, and also it is not a superior quality. That is a inferior quality. Once again, he went to file a case. He has asked to the Flipkart, if you not replace my product, I will file a case. So the legal system is good. Then the seller behavior is also good. Then he has asked with the seller, I will go to file a case. Immediately, Flipkart responded, we will replace your product. We will deliver the product what you have ordered. What you have ordered. So the legal system, that is very much important from the authenticity to give the correct product to the customers. Another one, how they can create the brand trust. Brand trust in the sense, the digital entrepreneurs, even they may be from very rural area, but the brand trust, how it will come in the minds of the customer, the sense we need to offer a very good quality product. If the product quality is good, then the word of mouth is good. The customer, they will propagate about the particular product to some other customers. So if you are selling your product from the online, suppose recently I have bought something from the Big Basket. Big Basket, it is one of the application we can buy our groceries, vegetable and all those things. This Big Basket, I heard it from my friend. He said all the product are having very good quality. Earlier, I went to the supermarket. I will go direct and buy and everything. Nowadays, I'm ordering everything with the help of Big Basket. Why? In the sense, the brand trust, which was created by the Big Basket with the existing customers. So, existing customer, they are and the word of mouth for your product. Second one. The third one, what ethical dilemma to digital entrepreneurs face when collecting and leveraging user data for growth and personalization? Correct. While they are getting the data from that is also legal system should be correct. The legal framework should be correct in the sense the misuse of data will not happen. Otherwise, the customer should be vigilant. Customer, then only the government, even the Indian government, frequently while you are viewing any cinema in film or in a television, frequently they are giving some advertisement. Don't respond to any kind of messages. Suppose you may get some message from some seller or some banks like your card should be renewed, or you have this much amount of coupon, or you have this much amount of discount from this seller. Don't respond to all these things. So ethical dilemma the customer will have always, because while they are giving while you are installing any app, they will take all our information. But the thing is, they need to give some confidence. First one. The second one, they need to minimize the error rate. They should not have any kind of default previously. In the sense, they will get a very good customers. The customer database will get increased, because some of the app they are having millions of customers. Why? In the sense, they will not leak out their information to somebody else. That is also that is from the digital entrepreneurship only. Digital entrepreneur only. They should not disclose the information to somebody else. This is the answer for the third question. If there is any other questions, thank you so much, because you have asked a number of questions. It is really enjoyable. Any other questions?
Yeah, I guess no one else asking again. Yeah, thank you so much for your answer. Yeah, before I close this event, for all participants, please open your camera. I will take a picture on the count of three for documentation. Okay, one, two, three. Another one, one, two, three. Thank you for your keen cooperation. Finally, we come to the end of visiting lecture today. We would like to thank you for Dr. Gel for the wonderful information and sharing your knowledge. We hope this information will be beneficial for our participants. At least we hope to have more collaboration in the future with ST Joseph College Engineering India. The visiting lecture for today and here. We hope to see you soon. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Okay. Can I leave?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay, okay.